Today I'm going to be showing you how to create movement with a video in WeVideo. So here's a clip that I had recorded, and it was a static shot, meaning it didn't move, it was off the tripod. But I want to create movement zooming in. So what first I'm going to do, personal preference, is to go to the bottom right and just click towards the plus sign, not too much. I like to see my whole clip in its full entirety instead of being all bunched up. Click the pencil, and then I was in animation, but if you may start at transform, you do want to go over to animation, which is the three windows. Next, you're going to want to decide, do I want to zoom in or do I want to zoom out? In this first one, I want to zoom in. So I'm going to click the blue, start, and then I'm just going to leave it at 1. That is the normal scale, the no zoomed in, no zoom out. Now with end, I'm going to click end. I am going to use the scale and then just drag it as far as I want to the right. So you can tell our start was at 1 and our end is at 1.48, meaning it was zoomed in. You can see the X and Y axis, those numbers change. Then I'm going to click Save Changes. I'm going to press play, and as you can see, it zooms in. Now, what if I wanted it to zoom out? I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go to the pencil. This time, I'm going to go ahead and click End, and then click this arrow to reset it back to normal. But this time, I'm going to click Start, and I'm going to do the same thing I did before, but this time with Start. I'm going to zoom in to show I want to right about here. Then I want it to zoom out. End, you leave it as is. Then click Save Changes. And then play it. And there you have it. That's how you create movement with a video to either zoom in, zoom out. There's a lot of other things that you can do. This is one editing tool that I use most of the time just to create movement with static shots.